Hey everyone, welcome to Apps by Savan, where we showcase apps designed to simplify your everyday life. In this video, I'll take you through my newest app, BillBuddy, your personal bill manager that tracks, reminds, and protects your bills. Let's jump in. The app begins with a smooth splash screen showing the BillBuddy logo and name. After that, you land on the dashboard, the control center of the app. Here, you can see total expenses, average monthly expenses, your added bills with status tags like cleared, pending, or partial. To add a bill, tap the plus icon floating button. This opens the Add Bill screen, where you can enter full bill details, bill title, amount, number of people the bill is shared with, bill due date, select category like rent, shopping, etc., add notes, attach an invoice, image, or PDF. Once everything is entered, tap Save Bill. Your bill is now stored locally on your device. Back on the dashboard, you'll see your saved bills listed. Tap on any bill to view its full details. From here, you can also update anything, mark who has paid and who hasn't, change the amount or due date, replace attachments, tap Update Bill, and your changes are saved. Tap the Settings Fab button to access additional powerful tools, enable Privacy Mode toggle to block screen recording or screenshots for better privacy. Export all your bills to CSV or PDF files. Backup your bill data in JSON format and restore it anytime. Reset app, completely wipe your saved bills and start fresh. Every time you add a bill, a reminder is automatically set before the due date. You can also customize the reminder time and switch between 12-hour and 24-hour formats using a toggle in settings. BillBuddy helps you manage and track your shared expenses with smart features like reminders, attachments, privacy mode, and full data control. It's all stored securely on your device. No cloud needed. Thanks for watching the demo of BillBuddy, proudly built by me. If this app helps you manage your bills better, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more app demos on Apps by Savan.